Encountering the DNS server not responding error on your Rogers internet connection? This means your device can't translate website names like google.com into IP addresses, preventing internet access. DNS servers handle this translation process. When they fail, you see this error. This often happens due to issues with Rogers DNS servers, network congestion, or even outdated modem firmware. A quick fix involves changing your DNS settings to use public DNS servers like Google's or Cloudflare's, bypassing Rogers' servers if they're failing. Also, learn about TCP/IP, the underlying communication protocol for the Internet. Resetting it can resolve connection glitches by clearing cached settings and renewing your IP address. First, reset your DNS settings. Open a web browser and type your router's IP address, usually 192.168.1.1, to access the settings. Navigate to the DNS settings and replace the existing addresses with Google's public DNS servers, 8.8.8 for primary and 8.8.4.4 for secondary. Alternatively, use Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1 for primary. Next, reset your TCP/IP settings. On Windows, open Command Prompt as administrator. Run these commands: ipconfig release followed by ipconfig renew. On macOS, go to System Settings Network Advanced TCP/IP tab and click Renew DHCP lease. Finally, power cycle your Rogers modem. Unplug it from the power source for 2 minutes, then plug it back in. If the issue continues, perform a factory reset by holding the reset button on your modem for 30 seconds, or contact Rogers support for hardware diagnostics, especially for older models like the XB7.